Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5.4 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example by using the dialer, it doesn't really matter. Then just find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. And here, as you can see in the right upper corner, we've got this kind of pencil icon, so let's tap on it in order to be able to edit the contact. Now let's tap on this picture icon right in the middle. And here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. And right here we have to simply find our photo we would like to use and tap on it. And as you can see, from this step we can change the position of the photo and change the size of this highlighted square. And thanks to this we can decide what we will actually see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area is responsible for it. What's more, we can rotate the picture if you want. We can also zoom it in or out. So it's up to you how you want to set it. If you're happy with your choice, just tap on Save Copy. As you can see, the photo will immediately appear instead of this kind of picture icon. And then if you are happy with your results, remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, the contact has been saved. So this is how it looks like. You will be able to see the photo on the contact list also, just like here. And for example, during all incoming calls from that number. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your SONY Xperia 5.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.